Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Robert Ward. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Honda Civic Coupe SI. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors, keyless entry, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The high fuel economy and ease of ownership keep it among the best compact coupes. The Civic has 18-inch alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Civic is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights and a really nice grill to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2.4 liter engine with a manual transmission. This Civic has front wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 25 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Civic only has 37,041 miles on it. At the back of the Civic you can see the spoiler, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking into the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo tray and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. Civic even has a very comfortable back seat for carpooling with family and friends. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice aluminum metallic accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. The Civic is also equipped with selective service internet access, door bins, and push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors. The power door locks with auto lock and power windows with driver express up and down. This Civic has a very comfortable tilting telescopic and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise audio and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, a tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers and a subwoofer. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB port. This advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have large climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.